then which of the following option is correct? So we'll draw this ellipse. So this is x square upon a square plus y square upon b square equals to 1. And then at a point P, whose centric angle is pi by 4. So it is a by root 2 and b by root 2. We have drawn a tangent and a normal. Now that's your origin. Now from origin, we have dropped perpendiculars on tangent and normal. Now OM is perpendicular on tangent and ON is perpendicular on normal. First we need to find these distances OM and ON. So we know that equation of tangent in case of an ellipse is x cos theta by a plus y sin theta by b, and it is equal to 1. Now here value of theta is pi by 4. So it will be x upon a by root 2, y upon b by root 2, and it is equal to 1. So we'll find perpendicular distance from origin. Then it will be 0 plus 0 minus 1 upon under root of 1 plus 2a square and 2b square. So we'll get this as root 2ab upon under root of a square plus b square, and that's your option A. Now we know that equation of normal is given by ax secant theta minus by cosec theta, and it is equal to a square minus b square. Again we'll put theta as pi by 4. So we'll get this as root 2ax minus root 2by, and it is equal to a square minus b square. Now we'll find ON. So ON will be 0 plus 0 minus a square minus b square upon under root of 2a square plus 2b square. So we'll get ON as a square minus b square upon root 2 under root of a square plus b square. So that means option number B is incorrect. Now we need to find area of this rectangle ONPM. So area of this rectangle ONPM will be OM into ON. So OM is root 2 AB upon under root of a square plus b square into a square minus b square upon root 2 under root of a square plus b square. Here root 2 it will cancel. So we'll get this as AB into a square minus b square upon a square plus b square, and that's your option number C. So option A and C, they are correct. Now here the question is, if the tangent at the point t square comma 2t on the parabola y square equals 4x is same as normal drawn at point root 5 cos theta comma 2 sin theta on the ellipse, 4x square plus 5y square equals 20, then which of the following is correct? Now we know that equation of tangent to parabola is ty equals x plus a t square. So at any point t, this is equation of tangent. Now equation of normal drawn at any point on this ellipse is ax secant theta. Now a in this case is under root 5 and b is 2. So it will be root 5 secant theta x minus 2 cosec theta y, and it will be equal to a square minus b square, which is simply 1. Now these two equations, they represent the same line. So we can rewrite this first equation as x minus ty plus at square equals to 0, and the same way we can write the second line as root 5 secant theta x minus 2 cosec theta y and minus 1 equals 0. Now since they are coincident lines, we can write root 5 secant theta upon 1 equals minus 2 cosec theta upon minus t, and it will be equal to minus 1 upon 8t square. We'll take these first two expressions, then we can write t as 2 upon root 5 cos theta upon sin theta, and if we take second and third, then from there we can write t as, now value of a for this parabola is simply 1, so we'll take this a as 1, so we can write this t as minus sin theta by 2. Now we'll eliminate this t, so we'll eliminate this t, then we can write 2 cos theta upon root 5 sin theta, and it is equal to minus sin theta upon 2. So we can actually write this as 4 cos theta, and this is minus root 5 sin square theta. We can write sin square theta as 1 minus cos square theta. So we'll write 4 cos theta minus under root 5 and 1 minus cos square theta. Now it has become a quadratic equation in cos square theta. So it will be root 5 cos square theta minus 4 cos theta minus under root 5 equals to 0. Now from here we'll get two values of theta. So either the value of cos theta is minus 1 by root 5 or value of cos theta is under root 5. Now cos theta cannot take the value root 5. So from here what we'll get is value of cos theta should be minus 1 by root 5, and that's your option number A. Now the value of cos theta is minus 1 by root 5, then the value of sin theta, it will be 2 by root 5. Now we'll put sin theta as 2 by root 5, we'll get value of t as minus 1 by root 5. So that means value of t should be minus 1 by root 5, and that's your option number D. So the correct answer to this question is option A and option D. Now here the question is, if the normal at any given point P on the ellipse, so we have this ellipse, and then we have a point P at which we have drawn a normal. So it says normal at any given point P meets the auxiliary circle in Q and R. So we have auxiliary circle for this ellipse, and this normal, it meets auxiliary circle at points Q and R such that this angle QOR is 90 degrees. Then which of the following condition is true? So first what we'll do is we'll write equation of this normal. So we know that equation of normal is given by AX secant theta minus BY cosec theta, and it is equal to A square minus B square. And we'll also write equation of auxiliary circle. So equation of auxiliary circle is given by x square plus y square equals to a square. Now we have equation of this circle and we have equation of this line. Now from these two equations we can write equation of pair of lines passing through origin and passing through point of intersection of these two curves. So we have to make the curve homogeneous. So we'll make this circle homogeneous using this equation. So we can write this curve as x square plus y square, and it will be a square, and then we can write this as ax secant theta minus by cosec theta upon a square minus b square whole square. So we can rewrite this equation as a square minus b square whole square into x square plus y square, and here it will be a square and then a square x square secant square theta plus b square y square cosec square theta minus 2ab xy secant theta into cosec theta. Now it is given that these lines, they subtend an angle 90 degrees at origin. So it simply means sum of coefficients of x square plus y square must be 0. So we write sum of coefficients of x square plus y square. So this sum of coefficients will be 2 times a square minus b square whole square, and then minus a to the power 4 secant square theta, and then minus a square b square cosec square theta, and this value it must be equal to 0. Now what we'll also do is we'll write secant square theta as 1 plus tan square theta and cosec square theta as 1 plus cot square theta. So then we can write 2 times, and here it will be a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4 minus 2 a square b square, and this one will be a to the power 4 minus a to the power 4 tan square theta and minus a square b square and minus a square b square cot square theta equals 0. So we'll take this tan square theta and cot square theta on the right hand side. Then we can write this as a to the power 4 plus 2b to the power 4, and then here it is minus 4a square b square and minus a square b square. So it will be minus 5 a square b square, and on the right hand side we'll have a to the power 4 tan square theta plus a square b square cot square theta. Now for this expression we'll use AM and GM. So we know that arithmetic mean is always greater than equal to its geometric mean. So this expression will always be greater than equal to 2 times and its geometric mean, which is under root of a to the power 4 tan square theta into a square b square cot square theta. Now tan theta into cot theta will be 1. So we can write a to the power 4 plus 2b to the power 4 minus 5 a square b square. It should be greater than or equal to 2, and here we'll get a cube b. So we can write a to the power 4 plus 2 b to the power 4 is greater than equal to 5 a square b square plus 2 a cube b. Now we look at the options. On the left hand side we have a to the power 4 plus 2b to the power 4, but on the right hand side we have 3a square b square. So what we can do is we can write this as a to the power 4 plus 2 b to the power 4, and it is greater than equal to 3 a square b square plus, now we'll take 2a square b common, and then we can write a plus b, which is clearly greater than 3a square b square, and will also be greater than 3a square b square plus ab. So that means option A and C, they are correct.